Hello everyone. Let's go further with our Python tutorial. Today we'll discuss about counted loops. And I'll talk about for statements for instruction. Okay, let me show you a little bit the course. Yes, we know this is the general syntax for this for in statement. We have for keyword, space, an item in a sequence of item. We will traverse with this item within the sequence of items, and we should, let's say, proceed and do our, let's say, calculations, statements in general. Okay, if I will encounter a break instruction here, okay, in our sequence of statements, I will exit, okay, from this for item. Okay, if I will encounter continue, as we can see here, we'll skip the next statements, and we will go to the next item. Else, okay, if we are here on the else branch, we'll go to the statement number 4. But let's check for the working practice. This is theory. Let's apply this theory for our case. Let's use for our purpose the user function range. Okay, range function with one parameter stop will generate all the numbers between 0 and range with from 0 till stop -1. Let's do our example. Okay, for a variable, let's say I in range, I'll use only one parameter, let's say 20 column, and let's print this value. Okay, for I, it should display the values between 0 and stop -1 to be 19. I'll select this statement and press on F9. We can see the result from 0 till 19. Let's use the second option. Use the range function with two parameters, start and stop. Okay, again for I in range, let's say put ij in range. Let's start at 5. Let's stop at let's say 40. A column print j. It should display the values from starting with 5 till stop -1 to be 29. From 5 to 29, let's select the statements and press on F9. These are the results from 9 till 29. Now the third possibility, to use the range function with the three parameters, start, stop, and step. Say for I, J, K. Okay, for K in range. Let's say let's start at 5, stop at let's say 100. Okay, let's still 100, and I'll put stop 101. Step should be, let's say 5, from 5 to 5, starting with 5. Column print K variable, select and F9. These are the values. 5, 10, 15, 20 till 100. Okay, I'm putting here 100. It should start at 5. It will go until 99 from 5 to 5. Let's run again. You see, we display the last value. It should be 95. It will not display 100 because range will go until 99. Okay. Let's do other calculation with 4, also using the range. Let's do the sum of the first 100 numbers. Let's say I want to calculate the sum as it's 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 100. Okay, I will initialize the value for the s variable with 0 for, let's say again, I in the range. I want to go from 0 till 101. Let's say I will start, I'll not put 0. I'll start from 1. Okay, 1. Start, stop 101. Then I will do the calculation sum. It will be preceding sum plus I. Okay. Outside the 4, I'll print the sum. Let me print the value for the S. Print should be S is equal. I'll print the variable for the value for the variable S. Let's see this. Select all these statements and press on F9. This is the direct result, but let me show you in steps. Okay. What is happening at every step? Let me print the number of steps. Print step is equal with I. Should be step I step. Sum S is equal with S. Okay, let me select these statements and press on F9. As you can see here, at the step 1, I will add 1 at the sum. At the step 2, I will add 2. 1 plus 1 should be 3. At the step 3, I will add 3. 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. At the next step, I will add 4. Precedent S with step 4 is equal with 10. This is the explanation in order to see better how are done the calculations. Okay, let me restart kernel here and run it again to see better. Okay, select F9 very, very quickly. Step 1, I is 1. 0 plus 1, it will be 1. At the step 2, I, it will be 2. Precedent S, it will be previous S, which is 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 of 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, etc. Till the end, finalize 5050. Okay. Let's check, let's display the odd numbers. Okay. Let's do another. Okay, show the odd numbers. Okay, this is 1, 3, 5, etc. Or let's say J in range. Let's say 101. Let's put a condition. Okay, J will go. It will be. It will be first 0 till 100, and let's evaluate j. If j is equal, if j percent 2 is equal 1, okay, this is the condition for the odd number. If this is true, column, let's print j. Print j. Okay, let's run this. Select the code and press on F9. These are the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7 till 99. If I want to display the even numbers, this is the condition. If j percent 2 equal 0, okay, select and press on F9 from 0 till 100. Let's do another program, interesting program, factorial, because it involves also the first n numbers, but this should be multiplied, okay? And factorial is, excuse me, is 1, star 2, star 3, star n, okay? Let's initiate for when we are calculating the sum should be initialized with 0 because it's neutral element for the addition. Neutral element for the multiplication is 1. Let's say factorial should be first 1. Let's take okay, from the keyboard the value from let's capture from the keyboard the value for the n. And this number should be an integer. Okay, integer. Let me use the input command, a text here, and is equal. In this way, I'm capturing the value for the n in order to do our calculations. Now let's do the multiplication. For I in range, okay, because I want to calculate only the first n elements, range should go till n plus 1. Yes. Okay. Column. Let's do the calculation. Factorial is equal to factorial multiplied by I. Okay. And outside the 4, we should print the n factorial. Print. This is the text message n factorial equal. And I'll print the value for the fact, because in fact variable, I'm storing the value for the factorial. Okay, let me select this line of codes and press on F9. Okay, let's calculate, let's say 4 factorial. I have a mistake here. What is the mistake? And factorial. Okay, why? Why is 0? Let's do here, let's see the n. Okay, n is 4. But let me print. Okay, let's print the value for I. Okay, print I. Let's see why we're obtaining 0. I know it, but let's do it again. Select this and press on F9. N should be 4 or 5, let's say 5. Initially, because initially I 0, 1 multiplied by 0, 0, and finally the result is 0. Okay, in this case, we should start to add within our factorial should start with 1. Okay, range should start at 1, and stop should be n plus 1. Okay, let's run again the program. Why deselect it? Again, I'm selecting this code and press on F9. Let's do from time to time a restart kernel. Okay, select an F9. Let's say 6 factorial. First I is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the final result. And let me print after every step what is the value for the factorial. Okay, print factorial. Okay. Let's see sequence. Let's say 6, 7. Yeah. And let me print fine. Okay, I is 1. I. Let's do for a better visibility. Okay, our program. Let's say 6. Yes. I is 1, factorial is 1, I is 2, factorial is 2, I is 3. Okay, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, 24 multiplied by 5 is 120, 120 multiplied by 6 is 720. Okay, this is the explanation. And now let's go to the data collections exercises. We can use data collections in Python, data collections, especially we'll talk about dictionaries, dictionary in this case. Dictionary looks like this. Okay, let me put the name variable for our dictionary. Dictionary, let's say cities. Every dictionary is composed, okay, is enclosed within the curly brackets, and we have pairs. We should have keys and value pairs. Okay, let me put the keys. Okay, for our city, let's put here Paris. This is the key. And for the value, I'll put the name of the country. Let's say Paris is from France. Okay, in order to have a better display of our key value pairs, I'll indent like this, no issues. Okay, the next, this is the key. Paris is the key for our dictionary, and this is the value, France. These key value pairs are separated by comma. Next key should be London. London, this is the key, column, and the value should be UK, comma, another city, let's say Lyon. This is the key, excuse me, column, and this is the value. This is also from France, comma, let's say another city from Berlin, from Germany. Germany. Let's say another city from UK, Manchester, UK, UK. And the last one from Germany, also Bonn. This is the key, and this is the value, Germany. Okay. In this way, is looking, it is displaying a dictionary. Okay, we have the name of the variable, dictionary cities, equal, start with curly brackets, close curly brackets, and this is the key, value, key, value, key, value, key, value, key, value, key, value. This is the pair, Every pair is separated by the next one by comma. Okay, and let's traverse this dictionary. Okay, let me display only the keys. I want to display Paris, London, Lyon, Berlin, Manchester, and Bonn. Okay, I'll use the for statement. Okay, let me print. Print cities from dictionary cities. Dictionary for cities. Okay, let me name properly our variables. Okay, we have here a special for keys, comma, values for this pair. In name of the dictionary should be dictionary underscore cities. Okay, dot items. We are using items function in order to access this key value pairs. Okay. For this, let me print keys. Okay, because cities. I want to print cities. I know cities, Paris, London, Lyon, Berlin, Manchester is a key. And in this case, I will print keys variable. Let's see the results. I'll select the dictionary and the first print and press on F9. Okay, I'll press on F9. I'm printing here Paris, London, Lyon, Berlin, Manchester, and Bonn. Let me print the values. I'll do the same. Okay, print in countries from dictionary, and I'll print values. Let me comment on this triple apostrophes. Okay, select and press on F9. These are the countries: France, UK, France, Germany, UK, and Germany. Okay, if I want to print keys, I'll print from this pair keys values. I'm printing keys. Keys are corresponding to the cities, and values are corresponding to the countries. Now, let's do other, let's say, transformations or evaluations. Let's print the cities from UK. Okay, the last exercise from today, tonight. Let's say print the cities from UK. I'll do again this for keys minus values, comma values, excuse me, in the name of the dictionary, dict underscore cities dot items. We will use the items function in order to access these key values pairs. And let's evaluate. Print cities from UK. UK is a country, okay? And UK is corresponding to values, okay? In this case, let's put the condition if values is equal with UK, okay? If condition, okay, column, okay, I think I can use without parentheses, yeah. If space condition, if value is equal to UK, let's print the corresponding cities, but the cities are in relation with keys. Print keys. Okay. First of all, I'm searching for the cities from the I'm searching for the UK country. Okay, and this is corresponding to the values. Then, based on this condition, I'll display only the cities from UK. Okay, let me comment this program. Okay, let me delete it. Okay, comment all this, and I will use this dictionary and this transformation. I will select the code. I'm selecting the code. Excuse me, I'm tired. Select the code and press on F9. Okay, London and Manchester are the keys. Okay, this is the UK, London and UK. These are the keys, London and Manchester, for the values UK. Thank you and good luck with these 4 statements and with the dictionaries.